Welcome to WiseVoice. Today we're going to talk about 5 brilliant ideas to shape up your lives. Well, let's start with giving to live. Well, you always have to ask yourself how you would like to be treated. Definitely, I'm pretty sure the answers is going to be with respect, honesty, and kindness. But you can force people to treat you that way. Instead, you can influence them. The reality is, we have no control over get, only over give. So, if we want people to treat us by that way, we have to treat others by that way too. For the second point, who's pulling out the strings? If your life is always full of words like should, could, need to, then you will always feel that your life is controlled by someone else. Life has no meaning until you give it a meaning. Words such as should and must imply no choice, and when we feel we have no choice, we can feel pressurized and consequently you don't perform well. Instead, why don't you try to use words like I choose to or I choose not to, as the truth is that we always have a choice in those words. Language exerts hidden power like a moon on the tides, according to Tritamak. For the third point, speak up. What we say and what we contribute to a conversation is important, but the real skill in communicating is how well you listen. Many of us find it difficult to keep our mouths shut and listen, perhaps because you want to share your knowledge and experience with them, but you may not even notice you do this and probably you're doing it with good intentions. But when you finally truly learn the power of listening, you will be shocked at how you have continually interrupted others and not listened. This habit of constant interruption is crazy because we had to be sure that we are making the best decision possible in all aspects of our lives. How can possibly we do this if we never let people finish their sentences? Unless we listen to people, we won't fully understand what they are saying, and our lives will be poorer for that. According to Zeno, a Greek philosopher, the reason we have 2 ears and 1 mouth is that we may listen the more and talk the less. For the fourth point, impact of appreciation. When was the last time you told your partner that you love them, and how much do you appreciate their role in your life? How long is it since you pointed out to your child what they are doing well at school as opposed to what they are doing badly? How much do you praise yourself? It's said that an actor only remembers the members of audience that didn't clap. I guess most of us are just like the actor. Some days you simply wake up feeling good and everything goes well, doesn't it? You handle the crying call better, the sale comes in more easily, you handle sensitive conversation with your friend more effectively. So, if we perform better when we feel good about ourselves, then why do we criticize people and expect them to be motivated to perform better? Always focus on people's strengths, including your own. Your life will change beyond recognition. And for the last one, may not sound that important, but it's really important. Dressing for success. It's not about being wonderfully stylish, but it's about looking without boring or frumpy to others. There's no point spending fortune on sweaters, t-shirts and everyday trousers and shirts, but having a really good pair of beautiful cut suits for job is really necessary. Think of yourself as your own personal marketing manager. You will always need at least one suit that makes you feel great and you're proud of. The other top role is also to keep things neat and clean. Make sure your shoes are great clean shoes. Girls, make sure your handbag is not overstuffed. Sort things out at least once a week. If it's possible, treat yourself to a manicure. In short, it's just about putting out the best look for your job daily to get the perfect impression on you. And that's it from us for today. We are really happy that you stick to us to the end, and it would be really pleasing if you could give us a subscribe and please like the video. Share this with your friends, it will help them a lot, and please also share your comments in the comment box. We don't mind if it's positive or negative. We're really excited to hear from you. And that's it from us for today. Listen to the voice and start living.